If they had brought the map, they wouldn't have gotten lost. By the time we arrived at the theater, the movie had started. She had sent the letter before I asked her about it. Why had they locked the door before the meeting ended? We hadn't bought the tickets when we arrived at the concert hall. After the guests had left, we cleaned up the house. Had she finished the homework before class started? If you had come earlier, you could have seen the entire show. We hadn't eaten the food because we were waiting for you to arrive. By the time I checked my phone, she had called already. What had he done before he went to bed? They hadn't started the meeting when the power went out. If she had received the invitation earlier, she could have attended the event. By the time we left, the band had stopped playing. Had they cleaned the house before you arrived? He hadn't found his keys when he left the office. If we had taken the right bus, we would have arrived on time. Why hadn't you told me about the change in plans? She was upset because they had ruined the surprise before her birthday. When we arrived at the station, the train had left already. After he had completed the report, he submitted it to his boss. Had you eaten breakfast before you left for work? If they had listened more carefully, they wouldn't have made the mistake. By the time I called her, she had gone home. Had he completed the project before the deadline? We couldn't attend the meeting because we hadn't received the invitation. If you had followed the directions, you wouldn't have gotten lost. By the time we finished dinner, they had left already. What had you done before the accident happened? The teacher was angry because they hadn't finished the assignment.